doing my neck. And that is what
足引っ掛けてこのまんま
my neck usually. I go like this. You guys can't hear it, but it's happening. Just relax, you gotta almost let your head fall off. Let it go, okay? I'm not gonna do anything yet. I just wanna feel how far your neck goes.
whoa.
Alright, now just let it set, stay still. Okay, now just let it loose, don't go tight, don't be scared. Whew. Sorry.
You're good. It didn't hurt. It felt good.
Alright, just said it was better for you.
OK そのままね止めていいよ
Put my pedal to the floor. Yeah, make it roar. Pull up, skirt, vintage door. Jump out, lift my door.